Hey guys, RideBikes here, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check for my first ever bike. I'm using the original 2005, just standard silver Haro frame and burgundy handlebar and forks. I'm using the pink ODI handlebar grips. I'm running an emergency back brake. The brand's called Emergency. They're oddly held together with a zip tie. I'm using Haro sprocket with original 3-piece Haro cranks, Haro wheels. I'm going to be changing those pretty soon. I believe they're Dickies rims for both front and back. I have, yeah, front and back, and yeah, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, someone came knocking on the door. Okay, so where were we? 3-piece crank. Okay, I got the 3-piece stock Haro cranks, the just standard Haro pedals. I'm using Odyssey MPEGs, which if you can buy a pair of these, I would really suggest getting them. They're probably the best ones I've ridden with on this bike. What else? Yeah, King Creek headset. It's just a stock headset that came with the bike. Emergency brake line and stolen seat. It's plastic. It's not really. It's just a slip-in. Kenda contact, soft tread wheels, and a Z chain. There will be more videos coming out, hopefully, in the near future. But yeah, this is RideBikes, and this is my first bike check. See you later.